Hello guys, Sanjay here, and in this video I'm going to show you tips and tricks of Lenovo's Lenovo Vibe UI. This video is applicable to all the phones running 5.0 or higher version of Android Lollipop. But if your phone is running Android KitKat or 4.4.4, basically both are the same, but still, then I have already made a similar video. Then I'll give the link of that in the description box below. And there are few features which are exclusive to Lenovo K3 Note. I'll mention them at the end of this video. And I have compared the features with Lenovo A7000. So the features which I'll be mentioning right now will be applicable to Lenovo A6000, Lenovo A6000 Plus 2 when they'll get the update of Android Lollipop. So let's get started with the video. So as you can see, I have installed the Google Now launcher, and personally I did not like the Lenovo's stock launcher. So I simply downloaded it from Play Store, and after that if you go into settings, then go into home, and as you can see I have installed different launchers. And if I select Nova launcher from here and if I press the home button, then the Nova launcher will be the default launcher. So as you can see, this is the Nova launcher. But if I want the Lenovo launcher, like if you want to switch back to the stock launcher that you had, then simply select Lenovo launcher over here and just hit the home button and you will be back on the stock launcher. And as you can see, if I just press home button, the phone will come to this home screen. But if you want the phone to go on this screen, then simply just pinch in and select this as your home. So as you can see, the blue over here indicates that this is the home screen on which the phone will go if I press home button. So as you can see, if I am on this screen and if I press home button, then it will come over here. So that's surely a very handy feature for some. And you can even add pages from here. So if you want multiple pages, then you can have them, and if to remove, it's just very easy. And after that, let's go to theming options that Lenovo's Vibe UI has. So for that, go into Theme Center, and you will be able to see that there are different themes which are pre-installed on the phone. Your phone may not have these many themes, so do not worry about that. So as you can see, I have different themes over here. So let's apply this theme, Pulse theme, and if I just hit apply button, it will take a little bit of time. It usually takes 5 to 10 seconds, and the theme is applied successfully. Yeah, the theme is applied, and this theme looks pretty clean. But if we go just a little down, then you'll be able to see that we can select different wallpaper, we can select different type of lock screen too. So as you can see, this is the default lock screen to just swipe up, but you can select this type of lock screen, in which let's apply this lock screen. So to unlock the phone now, you will have to slide down and the phone will be unlocked. Okay, so the phone will be unlocked, so you can select lock screen. And one of the impressive thing about the software features is that you can even change the recent task list. So this is the current task list, which is like normal Android L task list. But if you want stock Lenovo's task list, which looks something like this, so you can have this too by simply pressing over here. And surely this is a very nice feature to have. For few people this might be little annoying, or they might not like this type of recent task list. Then you can simply apply this and you are good to go. So that's surely a very good thing, and the thumbs up for that. So now let's talk about the notification center and the quick settings toggle. So if I just slide down from here, it will take you to the quick settings toggle directly with a pause if you do not have any notifications. So as you can see, if I just slide down, it will wait there for half second maybe, and it will come down. But if you just do like this, then it so yeah, that was a notification. So if you just slide down like this, then it won't show you the quick settings toggle. For that, you have to do like this. It's just like taking it downwards. And even if you slide down from right corner, the same thing will happen. So that's really a very good thing. And after this, let's go into settings and let's go into display settings. And if you think that your phone's display is not complete white or the colors look a little different, then go into display color balance. And you can choose different mode, like comfort mode. If you are reading on the phone, then choose comfort mode and it will protect your eyes. At least in theory it should protect your eyes. And you can select custom and you can adjust the saturation and the tone of the display according to your need. But on the Lenovo K3 Note, default mode works very good. So that's a very good thing. And if we go into LED notification, and then you can select different things for which LED notification will glow. If you do not want LED notification to be there for missed calls, then simply deselect this. This option will not be present in Lenovo A6000 and the Lenovo A6000 Plus, as they do not have a physical button or the hardware of LED button, LED light. my god, that was. And now let's go into lock screen, and I would suggest you to enable this option, that is pocket dial prevention mode. So it's like if you have locked your phone, and I have double tap to wake gesture enabled on the Lenovo K3 Note, so it might get activated in my pocket. So as you can see like this, and the phone might get unlocked, but as it is in my pocket, the proximity sensor is blocked. So if I try to unlock it, then it will say that preventing unnecessary screen touch, and the phone will not get unlocked. So it will surely save your unnecessary calls that it can make by going into dialer applications if the phone unlocks in the pocket. So I strongly suggest you to enable this option so that you won't have to face any problems later on. And now if we go into notification center, there will be different options over here. So you can manage apps notifications. So if you do not want camera application to show any type of notification, then simply disable this option which says enable notification. So there won't be any notification from camera application. So you can select that for any application, even you can select that for the system applications. So surely that's a very good thing. And after that, now let's go into advanced settings and display battery indicator. The current is percentage. So if we select graphical, then there won't be any percentage. But let's select percentage, and there will be percentage inside the battery icon. So surely that's a very good thing. So as you can see, I have also enabled display current network speed, and this is the network speed over here, and that's a very handy feature. You can come to know about the Wi-Fi speed or the 2G 3G data speed, or if you have 4G, anyways, let it be. If you have 4G, then you can see the speeds too. And if you have any tasks in your calendar application, and if you want them to be shown in the notification center, then select this option and your today's task will be shown over here. I do not have any task for today, so it's not showing anything. Anyways, let's go back, and now let's go into scheduled power on and off. So this feature can be very handy for few people who use their phone at night, and people who sleep without closing all the applications or something like that. So by having this setting, the phone will be turned off at 2:30 a.m. and the phone will be turned on at 6 a.m. So that's surely a very good thing, and it will surely save you a percentage or 5 to 10% of the battery. If you have many applications running in the background, then the phone will automatically switch off and it will automatically switch on at 6 a.m. And after that, now let's go into permission control and let's enable the permission control. So from here you can see which applications have the permission to make calls or send SMS. So send SMS for Cortana, it is having send SMS. For Gaana, it is having send SMS permission enabled. So I do not want Gaana or M Indicator also to have the permission to send SMS. So simply deny, select deny over here, select deny. And these applications won't be able to send SMS without your interruption or without notifying you. And there are tons of options over here like use camera. So Hyperlapse Mobile won't be able to use camera application now. So let's select Hyperlapse application. So as you can see, it is saying Hyperlapse Mobile has stopped. It's because we have disabled the camera option for the Hyperlapse application. So this permission control is very handy for people who have multiple applications installed and do not want their information to get out to the applications, or do not want their call logs or SMS to be shown to few applications. So thumbs up to that. And if we go into secure zone management, and if we select it as start at boot or floating button, or if we just enable it from here, you can enable it from here. So as it is saying, it is switching to secure zone. So to enter the secure zone, you will need to have a password. So I have a password over here, and over here you will not have all the applications that we had on the open zone. So that's actually a very good thing. And to get rid of this, you will have to go over here and select open zone once again, and you will come back over here. So that's actually a very good thing. If you have some applications which you do not want to show other people, then you can enable the secure zone and you can put those applications in the secure zone. So thumbs up to this feature, and this feature will be very handy for people who have some special applications that they do not want to show others. And after that, now let's go into Power Manager, and here comes some of the feature which might not be available for the Lenovo S6000, but I'll surely show you guys all the features that are present in the Power Manager. So if we go into battery saver, you can select enable this, and this will enable the stock Lollipop battery saver mode, which almost every Lollipop phone has. And then there is background app management. So if you enable AdSense and Ampere, so if you select these two applications, then these two applications won't be able to start in the background. So that's surely a very good thing to have, because let's say Dead Trigger 2 starts in the background and if it eats the battery, then simply select this option and disable Dead Trigger 2 from starting in the background, and it will surely save you a lot of juice if you enable multiple applications which start in the background unnecessarily. And then there are different options like this. So I'll just show you ultimate power saver. So you can select ultimate power saver mode, and we have 48% battery left, and it is saying battery time remaining now is 37 hours and 10 minutes. So that's surely a very good thing. But when you enable battery saver mode, you can just call someone, you can have SMS, and you can have clock. These are the only applications that will be there for ultimate power saver mode, and you cannot add applications as of now in the ultimate power saver mode. But it will surely save a lot amount of juice for you. So if you have 10% of battery left on your phone, and if you want to make another 4 hours or 5 hours or 6 hours, then enable ultimate power saver mode, and it will surely last for next 6 hours. So yeah, these were the features which Lenovo's Vibe UI with Android Lollipop has. And after this, now I'll show you some of the Lenovo K3 Note specific features. For that, go into feature, and there is something called as quick snap. So it's like if you have a locked phone, and if you just double tap the volume key, then a photo will be taken. I just took it wrongly, so I'll just press it once again, and as you can see, it took a photo. And if you want a photo, and if you do not like this photo, then you can delete it from here too. So that's surely a very handy feature. After that, there is something called as knock to light. This is basically double tap to wake. So just double tap the screen and the phone will be unlocked. Let's go to screen of gestures. You can select particular app to be opened when you just do V action on the lock screen. So it's going in settings. So if I want AdSense application to be opened, when I draw V, so I'll just draw V, and it will open up AdSense application, and my earnings are 0. And after that, there is something called as Smart Scene. This feature might be there for Lenovo A6000 and the Lenovo A6000 Plus. I am not completely sure about that. Simply going to add and select time switch, bind AP or in class. So let's select time switch, select next. Please enter scene name. So let's name it as brightness, and let's select add scene task, and let's select brightness, and you can select it as brightest and when to switch. So let's select this is the timing from 12 AM to 12 PM. So whenever the timing is 12 AM to 12 PM, or rather 11:59 PM, full brightness will be on. So you can have bunch of different options like lunch, office. So when you enable office scene, then the profile will be automatically switched to vibration, and there won't be any ring for the calls you get. And you can set up different scenes, rather different profiles, and this is very similar to Tasker applications. So I would surely suggest you to spend some time over here, and you can enable different bunch of options. Like as you can see, the first option is sleep. So whenever you select sleep option, it will automatically enable aeroplane mode at 10 PM to 6 AM. So I think that you may not need the call functionality from 10 PM to 6 AM. Not 10 PM actually, let's make it 12 PM. So from 12 AM to 6 AM, the phone will go into aeroplane mode. So that's surely a very good thing to have. There are tons of options that I showed you right now. So there is search option over here. So you can simply search over here. So if I want to enable the brightness or change the brightness, then simply write brightness and the settings will show up. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because many more videos like this are already on the channel and will be coming soon on the channels. And the most important thing, if you guys have any doubts, suggestions or queries regarding this video or Lenovo K3 Note, then do let me know about that in the comment section below. I'll surely try to answer your queries. So thank you guys, thank you for watching.